Welcome back guys to the tutorial number 11 in this JavaScript series, and today we're gonna talk about if and elseif statements, and with quickly moving on we will also talk about switch statements, which is another way to implement if elseif statements. So you can see this, I've created a var in age, which is a variable and its value is 50, and you can see if condition is applied, if age is less than equal to 18, then it's gonna print mom where's my jeans, as all the teenagers do. And if the age is, you can see, is between 18 and age is lesser than 30, and it's gonna say mom, I'm not gonna marry right now, definitely what most of the adults say. And if the age is greater than 30, you're definitely gonna print out mom, I love you. At this point age is 15, and this statement should be printed at this point. So let's just run into the Chrome and we can see this, mom where's my jeans. Alright, if I change this value to 25 and save this, and you can see this, and it's gonna print mom, I'm not gonna marry right now. And if the value is like 55, and if we run this into Chrome, you can see this, it will print mom, I love you. There you go, mom, I love you. Well, this is a one way. This is a one way of, this is very, compactly sized. If I write this into a very well intended, then it's gonna look a bit of lengthy program. Alright, there you go. And the number of if else's you're gonna add, it's gonna just increase the length of the program. So there is another thing that we do, which is we do a switch, and let me just delete this. I hope you guys understand. Just an if condition just after else. So there are three ifs, this one, and this if. There are three ifs, and only one of them is gonna execute at a particular instant, because you can see every other if is into another else. It means only if one is not gonna print, then another is gonna print, and if another is not gonna print, the next after is gonna print. But if the first one prints, nothing else gets prints, only one of the if gets print. Now to apply this thing, we have another thing which is known as switch, and let's just write this correctly. And you're gonna put here whatever you're gonna check, and at this point I'm just gonna put a true value, and let's just do our cases, and we're gonna write this word case, and into the parentheses we're gonna get a is less than equal to 18, and after that put a colon right there. Alright, and then just gonna do document dot write parentheses quotation marks, and you're gonna print mom where is my jeans. Alright, and after this you're gonna just print another thing, which is break, which we will talk about in some other tutorial, which is gonna come soon. Let's just write our next case, and in this case, as you remember, age has to be greater than 18, and age has to be, okay, it's not a, it's actually age. I was writing wrong. Okay, then age, and age has to be, sorry, less than and equal to 30. Gonna put a colon as it is, and I'm just gonna copy this, Control C and Control V, and you can see at this point we're gonna say mom, I ain't gonna just use a break. I will tell you why we use break. Alright, but at this point just do. And if the age is greater than 3030, use our column and control V, and the mom, I definitely love you. Alright, and another thing, just use a break. Alright, let's just do it properly so that you guys understand this. Alright, you can see this is a much smaller thing. Now what this switch is gonna do is it's gonna look for wherever the value is true. Now only one of them can be true. Alright, either age can be less than 18, or either age can be between 18 and 30, or age can be greater than 30. Alright, there is nothing else age could be at this point. Alright, so if age is less than 18, then it's gonna go in here, print this, and break and come out of the switch. This break makes our execution come out of this switch statement. If this break wasn't here, it's gonna print this line too. It doesn't matter, it's not gonna check this. If this is true, then it's gonna print, and if is break isn't found here, then it's gonna print this, and if break isn't found here, it's gonna print this. So break is important just to break out of the switch case. I will show you why the break is important. Let's just save it, and age is 55, and let's just run, and it should say mom I love you into the Chrome, and there is an error. What is the error? Yeah, because agree is not. Alright, ages. Let's just run it into the Chrome, and you can see mom I love you. If I make the age as 15, and I'm gonna run this into the Chrome, and you can see mom where is my jeans. Alright, and similarly if I make between them, then this is gonna true. Alright, let's just cut this break. Now there is no break here, there is a break here, so age is 15. Now this is gonna print, and this is gonna print, but this is not gonna print because break is here. Alright, so let's see this, and you can see mom where is my jeans, and mom I ain't gonna marry right now. So that's it. That's why break is very important. And apart from these things, there is another way switch can be used, and by using true or false. Other than that, you can use directly a variable, and how to use them is very simple. That you created a variable, and how you're gonna use is just write anything what is like 50 in here, and then 25 over here, and 35 over here. And what I'm gonna write over here is alright, come on, and I'm gonna write, and it's gonna write teenager. Alright, it's gonna print if it's 15, and it's gonna write adult. Alright, and it's gonna write married. Alright, I'm going to use our break over here. Now these are exact values, these are not true or false, these are exact values. Age is 15, this is gonna just check, and this is gonna print teenager. Alright, let's just save this and run into the Chrome, and you can see teenager. If the age is 25, save this and run, and it's gonna show you adult. Alright, there you go, adult. And if age is 35, very easy, it's gonna show you married.